to bring in quality metrics, ownership information, lineage, and more. That integration lets people not only find data, but understand whether they can trust it. And because governance touches every function at Mastercard, privacy, AI engineering, analytics, we needed this platform to become the shared source of truth for privacy, for AI engineers. And last but not least, we needed to simplify how users could access data and use it without having to ask too many people about it.
So with those principles, with those really having the framework ready, we then went into getting an extensive review to find the right governance partners. You'll notice we use the word partners, not a product, not a platform, but the word partners, and because that really was important to us, right? It's not just about a platform with a fancy UI. It's more about the platform, the processes, the people that really come in. And through a good chunk of 2024, we conducted an extensive review to choose the right governance partners. We knew we needed someone who could work across, our extensive technical environments, deliver, of course, a great user experience, and was cutting edge. So we evaluated several vendors, looked through multiple technical and functional requirements, and included and brought a lot of people in our journey with us. There was really a big, very, very cross-functional effort on our end. And coming more specifically to the parameters we used, we broadly divided these into three buckets, right? So platform, data governance, and technology. Now, again, you can see some of the points out here about each of them, but really each one has its own goals and needs. And we wanted someone who would be strong across the board. So it wasn't just that, if a platform had excellent data lineage and excellent data marketplace, but was really poor on performance, that was not going to work for us. We needed someone who was solid across the board. And our selection was not just about features. It was in addition to these things, it was about philosophy. We wanted to find someone who would be flexible, would be open, and the platform would be extensible for us. Right? The idea of governance is that it should not lock us in. It really has to grow with our data strategy. And through this entire process, after an extensive review, we arrived at Atlan as the right solution for us.